We were taught Pythagoras in school, but not how to react to a car accident. Make it make sense. Because car accidents happen more than you think. According to the Australian Institute of Health and Welfare, over 19,000 car occupants were hospitalised and 736 lost their lives as a result of transport-related injuries on Australian roads between 2021 and 2022. Over 19,000. That's almost the entire population of Grafton in New South Wales, or enough people to fill 1/5 of the MCG. In those first few moments after a car crash, most people don't actually know what to do. So today, I'm breaking down what to do after a car accident step by step. First thing, stop and breathe. Right after an accident, you might feel shocked, upset, or both. Turning on your hazard lights and assessing the situation buys you time to calm down and stay safe. People come before paperwork. If anyone's hurt, call 000, no hesitation. If the scene is hazardous, say if there's a fuel spill or a fallen power line, call 000. In some situations, it's also a good idea to call the non-urgent police assistance line on 131 444. For example, if alcohol or drugs appear to be involved, a driver fails to stop or exchange details, police need to direct traffic. If it's safe, move vehicles to the side of the road, engine off, and check for traffic before stepping out. If you think your insurer can just hack the mainframe to get the accident details, they can't. They need the basics from you. That means swapping details with the other driver, including their full name, +2 of either their phone number, address, driver's license number, or registration number for their vehicle involved in the accident. And while you're at it, jot down the make, model, and colour of the vehicles involved, the time, date, and location of the accident, details of any damage, where you were travelling to and from, and road conditions at the time of the accident. Next, if it's safe to do so, take photos. Try to capture number plates and any specific damage to the vehicles or other property. This will help insurers determine who is liable. And here's a detail almost everyone forgets: witness statements. If there's a claims dispute over who's at fault, a witness statement to verify the facts can be the thing that tips the scales in your favour. Collect names, numbers, and photos if they consent to it. There's no doubt about it, car accidents are stressful, but with the right steps, you'll be more in control of what happens next. For more everyday explainers like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button.